SaraBom, bridging technology for greening Malaysia. Climate change is a global challenge. The Bonn Challenge, Germany 2011, a global effort to restore 350 million hectares of the world's degraded lands by 2030, with forest landscape restoration as one of the target deliveries. Forest Department Sarawak, FDS, has since pledged to plant 35 million trees statewide by the year 2025. Our innovation, Sarawak's designer Seedbom version known as SaraBom, is composed of nutrient-packed materials in a special ratio rolled into a bowl shape with seeds of desired trees in its core. SaraBom has the ability to improve seeds' biological capacity, increase germination percentage and germination speed, and increase the seed resistance to extreme temperatures and predators. FDS opted to immerse this innovation using quadcopters, but could manually throw through Sarawak's inaccessible, hilly, degraded land. We managed to reduce the annual operational costs of tree planting from 21.6 million ringgit to 9.2 million ringgit by 83%. This innovation is 15 times faster and 58% lower in cost.
Seedboms are an easy and effective way to restore biodiversity in our environment. This is definitely in line with SDG Goal 1 by creating jobs and business opportunity, which aims to end poverty in all its forms everywhere and ultimately ensure foods on the table for the rural families of Sarawak. In terms of environmental sustainability of SDG Goal 13 and Goal 15 for the preservation of the environment by the maintaining 62% of Sarawak forest cover, thus contributing to the reductions of the national carbon emissions targets of the 45%.
Sa projek Seedbom, amat manahlah projek Seedbom tu bagi kami orang kampung. Akan oleh mereka kami penatai pemisi setiap bulan. Bagi kami orang kampung.
Dan ini adalah inovasi yang telah dibuat oleh pihak Jabatan Perhutanan. Jadi saya ucap tahniah kepada Jabatan Perhutanan.